Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes. Any special claims?
None.
Action on the bill list as submitted by the county auditor. Roll call.
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yeah.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes. The public hearing, number 5, Becky?
Number 5, resolution vacating an existing platted public utility easement for property at 5353 Northwest 78th Court.
Is proof publication on file?
Yes.
Is anyone here to speak for or against? Anyone here to speak for or against? Seeing none, close the hearing. Bring back to the board for a motion.
I'll move the resolution, Mr. Chairman.
Second.
Roll call.
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes. Item number 6 is the second reading of an ordinance approving text amendments to the Polk County zoning ordinance and zoning map. Need a motion?
Move it.
I'll move it. Mr. Chairman, is there a reason why we can't just do both readings at the same time?
Any objection from staff to waive the third reading?
We're good with that.
Okay. Right now, we're going to vote on the second reading. Roll call.
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes. Now would be appropriate time, I think, to move to.
Tom, I move we suspend the rules and move to the third reading.
Second.
Roll call.
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes. Thanks, Bob. Public comments. Anyone here to address the board on any matters this morning at all? Seeing none, we will move on to permits. Becky?
Number 8, renewal application for Class E retail alcohol license and ownership update for Casey's at 6981 Northeast 14th Street. Number 9, renewal application for Class E retail alcohol license for Oasis 5120 Northeast 14th Street. Number 10, renewal application for Class C retail alcohol license with outdoor service area permit for Norwood Inn 4592 Northeast 29th. Number 11, renewal application for Class C retail alcohol license for Outer Limits 6560 Northeast 14th Street. Number 12, new application for 5-day Class C retail alcohol license for Olive or Twist 6170 Northwest Polk City Drive.
Roll call.
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes. Resolutions.
Number 13, resolution approving memorandum of understanding with Polk Soil and Water Conservation District for cover crop demonstration project. Number 14, resolution approving agreement with Sprint Communications Company to relocate a fiber optic line. Number 15, resolution approving First Amendment to development agreement with the City of Ankeny and Rich Eichner for construction of the Creekview wetland. Number 16, resolution approving final plat of Aurora Avenue Bible Church Plat 1. Number 17, resolution approving final plat of Fox Ridge Estates Plat 2.
I'll move those collectively. Did have a question on one of them, though.
Second.
Okay, Bob, go ahead.
Tom, the number 13, I think it's a great project, everything. I'm just curious as to what the $3,000 is going to go do, so maybe Jonathan or Bob could enlighten me.
And I was wondering too, if that's a one-time expense or what?
John Swanson, Public Works. This cover crop demonstration project, the funding from the county is going to be used to provide a payment to a landowner who is setting acres aside to be taken out of row crop production to be planted for this demonstration area, which we then have a set of education outreach activities we're going to do with neighboring farmers and landowners to bring them there to show the different uses of cover crops essentially. And Polk Soil and Water is going to oversee the day-to-day oversight of the project, and we have IDOLS is providing the cost for the actual seed and the implementation of the cover crops.
So this property would be like a control.
Yep, exactly. And cover crops are incredibly diverse. It can be complicated, so having a control scenario where we can have different types of cover crops and actually show people it growing, we think will speak a little bit better than just using pictures and PowerPoints and all the classic stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And is it a one-time thing?
It's a one-time with an opportunity. If successful this year, we'd like to explore it in the future, but as of now, it's a one-time project to see how it goes.
All right, thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, roll call.
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 18, resolution approving contract with Iowa Department of Health and Human Services for childhood lead poisoning prevention program. Number 19, resolution approving agreement for professional services with Lynn Royer.
I'll move those. Second.
Discussion? Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
20 and 21 are resolutions approving execution of contracts with 5th Judicial District for the Youthful Offender Program and the Intensive Supervisory Court Program.
I'll move those resolutions.
Second.
I just have a couple questions for Ralph. I've read through the resolution and understand this is a grant that goes towards offsetting costs of staff for both of those programs to be implemented. And they are both, by the way, great programs. I agree. The only thing that I would say as we move ahead with state realignment and what has become of the 8 districts for community-based corrections and the oversight of those districts being taken away from county-level elected officials and given to the bureaucracy of the state of Iowa and the director of the Department of Corrections. I'm not sure if this agreement should be with the Department of Corrections or whether it should be with 5th District Community-Based Corrections, which basically doesn't exist in its current structure any longer. So this may be outdated, I'm not sure. But I think I'm okay with these, and I'm gonna vote for these. But in the future, from a technical standpoint, my understanding of the legislation is that counties were not going to be responsible any longer for funding programming that was formerly part of informal agreements based on our participation as elected officials. Office space, all kinds of other things that we've done as our role being in a policy-setting position for 5th District, which we no longer have. So I think we really need to take a close look at how we move ahead with 5th District. They have a new director now. The former director has moved on. The new director was appointed by the director of the Department of Corrections. We've had no role in that, no input whatsoever. So I'm going to be extremely cautious and extremely thorough on any agreement that Polk County enters into with 5th District, because the 5th District we know doesn't any longer exist.
Yeah, I see the resolution addresses both the 5th District and the Department of Corrections, but I'll discuss it with Ms. Graham later today.
It looks like, are they paying for this or not?
No, it's a grant. There's a grant that's coming through from the way I read it, and but we are, the employees work for Polk County, right?
Correct.
Employees are currently employees of the county attorney's office, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Paralegal. And
Right, okay. So, and that's why, but I just gonna be extremely cautious in the future of any more expenditures, because that was supposed to be the big win-win for all of us statewide, that the state was gonna pick up the costs. Let's use intensive pretrial release as an example. Right now, we have an informal agreement with up to almost $250,000 every year of county taxpayer dollars that go towards a program that the people in Polk County have zero voice on. So I'm just saying, trying to get out in front of how we operate in the future with the 5th District.
Understood.
Roll call.
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 22, resolution approving subscriber agreement with the City of Johnston.
I'll move the resolution.
Second.
Roll call.
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes. Sorry, I didn't, anybody want to discuss that last one at all? I didn't ask for discussion of.
You did good.
Okay. We can go ahead, Becky.
Number 23, resolution reclassifying positions within the county attorney's office Number 24, resolution creating position in the Public Works Department.
I'll move them.
Second.
Discussion? Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
25 through 27 are resolutions abating delinquent taxes and special weed assessments for properties listed in the city of Des Moines.
I'll move those resolutions.
Second.
Discussion? Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 28, resolution approving recommendation of the Polk County Assessor for disallowance of the homestead tax credit.
Move.
Second.
Discussion? Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 29, resolution approving audit services proposal for RSM US for fiscal years ending June 30th, 2023, 2024, and 2025.
Move it.
Second.
Discussion? Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 30, resolution approving initiative to become a home-based Iowa community.
Move.
Second.
I'll second, and Pat Sweeney, I see is in the audience. This is a great thing for us, good feather in our cap for getting this done, so.
Could you come up to the podium, Pat, and talk, just give us a little summary? I know we talked about this at some point, and we're hoping to get to where we're at today, so, number one, thanks for your work on it, but can you just tell everybody about what the program does?
Yeah, program, Pat Sweeney, Polk County Veterans Affairs. The program is a state initiative to attract veterans and through the workforce development for employment. One of the things we already do here, which we added to the resolution, was that we provide transportation for veterans in Polk County through DART. I mean, last year, we were $98,000 plus we spent with DART for free transportation for veterans, which we know is a key piece of employment. You have to get to the job. So, you know, it's just a win-win for everybody. And I think with the state initiative, by the end of the year, they plan on having all 99 counties signed up for the home base Iowa. Right now, the last number I got, they were plus 80 counties. So,
Great, great work.
yep, thank you.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 31, resolution approving agreement with Iowa Legal Aid.
I'll move it.
Second.
Discussion? Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 32, resolution approving funding to the Health Department for the Lock It Up Gun Violence Prevention Initiative.
I'll move it.
Second.
Discussion? Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 33, resolution approving funding to Catch Des Moines for the Junior Olympics.
I'll move that.
Second.
Discussion?
I might add that, I talked to Greg this morning about Ragbri, and, just an FYI, we already have 14,000 athletes registered, and this, I think, starts Friday. They anticipate 20,000 folks coming. I think we have 14,000 registered athletes, 500 coaches. You know, then you gotta consider all their families and everybody else, so this will be a huge event for us this weekend coming up. Well, I
Chris,
think it's 5 days.
Is most of that in Hy-Vee Hall, or is it some of the
No, no.
arena? Is it all over?
It's everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yeah,
Like the tracks at Drake probably, right?
yeah, Drake is a
Oh,
big,
really?
yeah.
Okay.
And then they have baseball and,
Okay, really? Okay, okay.
this is like the, I don't know, third or fourth time we've done this, I think. It's a huge economic
This is
impact.
similar to what we do though, as far as the funding standpoint, to incent like NCAA basketball or whatever.
Yeah, it's a big deal.
Okay, okay,
We're gonna be busy.
yeah. sounds like
Ragbri,
it.
Junior Olympics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 34, resolution approving funding for Iowa Hall of Pride renovation at the Iowa Event Center.
Move the resolution.
Second.
Discussion? Roll call?
McCoy?
Yes.
Brownell?
Yes.
Conley?
Yes.
Van Ort?
Yes.
Hawkinsmith?
Yes.
Number 35, resolution approving community development grant to Friends of YJI.
I'll move that.
Second. Roll call?
McCoy,
Yes.
Brownell,
Yes.
Conley,
Yes.
Van Ort,
Yes.
Hawkinsmith.
Yes.
Number 36, resolution approving community development grant for Grimes Community Foundation.
Move that resolution.
Second.
Roll call?
McCoy,
Yes.
Brownell,
Yes.
Conley,
Yes.
Van Ort, Hawkinsmith.
Yes.
Number 37, resolution approving community betterment grant awards.
Move it.
Second.
Roll call?
McCoy,
Yes.
Brownell,
Yes.
Conley,
Yes.
Van Ort,
Yes.
Hawkinsmith.
Yes. Communications, Becky?
Number 38, City Development Board filing a written decision, City of Altoona voluntary annexation within the urbanized area of Bondurant, Ankeny, and Des Moines. Number 39, City Development Board filing a written decision, City of Granger voluntary annexation within the urbanized area of Johnston and Grimes. Number 40, City Development Board notice of hearing, City of Ankeny voluntary annexation, including non-consenting owners within urbanized area of Altoona.
For the Public Works and County Attorney, any budget actions?
None.
Memorandum of appointments?
I'll move the appointment list.
Second.
Roll call?
McCoy,
Yes.
Brownell, Conley,
Yes.
Van Ort,
Yes.
Hawkinsmith.
Yes. John, anything tomorrow?
Right.
No.
Okay. Okay, great. Board members, anything? Move adjourned, Mr. Chairman.
Second.
Roll call?
McCoy,
Yes.
Brownell,
Yes.
Conley,
Yes.
Van Ort,
Yes.
Hawkinsmith.
Yes.